The fully automatic spirit, liquor, alcohol, wine, whiskey, and vodka bottling line from Shiv Shakti Machtech is a complete packaging solution designed for high-speed and accurate filling of 90 ml, 180 ml, and 750 ml PET and glass bottles. The line consists of a fully automatic gravity filling machine for precise liquid filling, a single head chuck capping machine for secure and consistent cap sealing, and a single side sticker labeling machine for professional product presentation. Engineered for distilleries, wineries, breweries, and alcoholic beverage manufacturers, this integrated bottling system ensures smooth operation, reduced product wastage, and high production efficiency. The machine is suitable for processing various alcoholic beverages including whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, brandy, wine, and other spirits while maintaining filling accuracy and packaging quality. Manufactured using robust stainless steel construction and advanced automation technology, the bottling line offers easy operation, low maintenance, and compliance with modern beverage industry standards.